Suppose you learned some interesting tricks and want to create an explainer video to share with the world. You'd like to put yourself in the video, but you're uncomfortable speaking in front of a camera. VideoPlus Studio can solve the dilemma. Following example shows how to create an explainer video about learning Comfy, a fancy tool to generate images using stable diffusion. First, use a screen recorder to record how to create a workflow in Comfy to generate images. Save the recording as a MP4 video. If the tool only supports WMV format, you can easily find a free service to convert WMV to MP4. Click New in the menu and open the video file. Click Presenter and define your presenter. Select the right gender and language. Listen to the audio samples of predefined voices to decide which one you like. To clone voice, select a voice good for cloning. Use the Clone Voices option, then choose your audio file. The voice can also be fine-tuned by adjusting audio properties, pitch, speed, and volume. Define avatar for the presenter. First the image, select a predefined one, or use your own. Then select the shape, location and height. For example, use Shape Circle to center crop, and surround the avatar in a circle, location 4 to occupy the top right corner, height 20 to occupy 20% of the video height. Last, decide if you want to use slightly moving head. That may look more natural for longer speeches, and whether or not to hide the avatar when not speaking. Now play the video and write down what you want to talk as subtitles according to the scene. Add subtitles one by one. Select your presenter and the subtitle duration will be adjusted automatically based on the average speaking speed of the voice defined for the presenter. Export subtitles to a local JSON file for easy-to-make changes later if needed. Click Task, then Submit Current Task. Check Burn Subtitles if needed. Submit and wait till the task is done, notified by email, or check its status in the task history. Check back if not ready. Find the task and download the resulting video. Adjust settings and resubmit if the result is not satisfactory. Otherwise, enjoy your explainer video and share it with the world.